my channel. I'm going to be installing today a wig that I got from Hermosa hair. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. So this is a 5x5 lace closure 26-inch 220 density wig. It looks like this. It is in deep wave. I had to pluck and bleach the knots. So this is what it looks like after I plucked and bleached the knots. And then I also co-washed the hair because this hair always comes in like tighter spirals, which isn't like how the hair will look after you like style it. So I always co-wash this kind of hair, like deep wave hair, just because I always want the curls to like fall so I can wear it how it's supposed to be worn. So this is what it looks like. The inside of the wig is your typical 5x5 closure. So it looks like this. It has two combs on the sides. It has a comb at the back, and it has the adjustable straps at the sides as well. And if you want to put in an elastic band, it has a place where you can do so on each side. So it looks like that. So this is going to be a really quick install. This is a closure wig. Love closure installs, love closure curly and deep wave installs because you really don't have to do much to style the hair. So this is going to be real quick and simple. But yeah, so if you want to see me install this wig, then you got to keep on watching. Alright, so jumping right into the video. Gonna slide this off. I think we all know what my hair looks like underneath here, so to save myself the embarrassment, I'm just gonna slide on my wig cap off camera, but we know my hair look crazy. I'm so bad. If I really am this embarrassed, you would think I would like fix my hair before I jump on this camera, but y'all, I got a 9 to 5, I got a job, okay? So I'll be having things to do. I don't always got time to do all of this. All right, so the next thing, what I'm gonna do is use my Ruby Kisses cream makeup, and I'm just gonna color my wig cap. So I'm just putting on this. And I'm also gonna take a little bit of the same cream makeup, and I'm gonna put it on the inside of the wig. Even though I bleached the knots already, I just wanna put a little bit on the inside. Okay, so it should look like that. All right, so this wig has lace on the back. Y'all, I have not seen that in a while. I'm so used to like all these wear and go wigs, y'all. So to see lace on the back of a wig, I'm like, lace on the back. Oh, but it's cool. I'm just gonna cut it off like this. I'm not gonna adjust the straps because it looked like it might work. If it don't, I'll fix it later. But I'm just gonna slide this on like this. I'm not using the side combs because I don't want to, but I may slide an elastic band on here so I can wear it gluelessly. Because without the elastic band, your girl's gonna have to use some glue. Here go an elastic band like this. It has the non-slip grip on both sides, so I'm just gonna take this back off and put in the band. Ooh, that's better. Yep, pull this elastic band down and pull the wig down. Just like this. Ooh, child. Oh, might be a little too tight. Might be a little too tight. Sheesh. Okay. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna get ready to style that. Alright, so next I'm just taking my fabric scissors that look like this. That have the little, I'm gonna say raggedy edges. That have the little jagged edges. To just cut the lace off. I'm just gonna cut it across like this. And I wanna make sure to get like this thick, chunky piece on the side too. That look crazy. All right, so I got that. Cut this one. And then you see how you can still see a little piece right here? I'm probably gonna cover that up with eyeliner. I'm not gonna try to cut that one anymore. So minus this right here. That looks good. But I mean, for the most part right now, it is laying how I need to lay. Next thing is I'm gonna be doing a side part, but I don't know what side I want my part to go to. So typically I wear my part going like this, but that don't look right with this hair. I think it's just how I've been like maneuvering it. Like I think this looks real crazy. So I'm gonna make my part go to this side. So I have my part. It looked like there was a part already in here. Maybe this was their plan the whole time, was for me to do a side part. Like, how y'all know? That's what I wanted to do. All right, so now I'm gonna be doing my baby hairs. And next I'm gonna define the curl. So to do that, I'm gonna use a couple things. I'm using water, of course, but I'm gonna use my Cream of Nature curling mousse, which I only have a little bit left. I need to get some more. And then also my Cream of Nature curl activator, this stuff here. And I'm gonna put it on my curls. And now I'm just taking my blow dryer with my little diffuser tip on it, and I'm just going to diffuse my hair. So my hair is still not all the way dry how I want it to be, but I'm still waiting for it to get a little more dry because I like the full look, but I'm just gonna do a couple of touch-ups. So the first thing I'm gonna do is define my part using my concealer and my little angled brush. And next I'm taking my eyeliner pen and I'm just going to put some black right here on the part of the closure that I didn't like cut off because it's like too close. So it can blend. And then I'm just taking some more of my cream makeup and I'm gonna go along my hairline. And then lastly, I'm going to lift my baby hairs because I want soft baby hairs, like the loose ones, and not the tight ones like what you see here. And I'm gonna cut just a little bit of layers right here in the front. I'm gonna do the same thing to right here. And one last thing I'm gonna do is take my Fuji gloss spray and spray it on my hair to give it that extra shine. And there we go. Because I want like the big poofy look. And I got it. The big poofy full curly look. And it's still a little wet in the back, so it's actually going to get a lot more fuller than this. But this is just what it looks like. And this is what it looks like on the side, the back. 100% glueless, and it's a closure, so there's that. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below, and that is it. Adios, till next time.